Welcome to a journey across one of the most iconic engineering marvels in the world, the 7-Mile Bridge. Stretching over turquoise waters and connecting the Middle and Lower Keys in Florida, the 7-Mile Bridge is not just a roadway, but a breathtaking experience. Completed in 1982, this modern marvel replaced the original bridge, part of Henry Flagler's ambitious overseas railroad built in the early 1900s. The original structure, often called the Eighth Wonder of the World, was a lifeline for the Florida Keys until it was partially destroyed by the 1935 Labor Day hurricane. The new bridge, designed to withstand hurricanes, is 6.79 miles long and offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean on one side and the Gulf of Mexico on the other. Did you know that it's featured in Hollywood blockbusters like True Lies and Mission Impossible 3? Each year, visitors flock here for the 7-Mile Bridge Run, a unique race that shuts down the bridge for runners to enjoy the scenic route. Driving across feels like floating on water, making it a must-see destination for travelers and road trip enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me on this virtual drive across the 7-Mile Bridge, where adventure meets the sea.